Green Valliey Industries Ltd, Maximin, kawei company pynmih dewbilat kabadon Nongsning East Jaiñtia Hills, mynta kasi kala pynlong da ka jingsynñiang Snam Kum kadak ban Kyrshan Lem, kito Kiba Donkam kyrkieh Iaka Snam. Iaka ni ka program Synñiang Snam la pynlong ha katei ka company balawan ban ïarap kynshew Iaka Snam da ki doktor bat ki nongtrei ka Jowai Civil Hospital Blood Bank Center Jowai. La yok jingkheiñ baroh ki nongwan Synñiang Snam ki badai ki nongtrei ka company bat ki nongshong shnong na katei ka thaiñ kiladon baroh sapuh nyongut. Nakaliang ka company bat kumju na ka Jowai Civil Hospital Blood Bank kiba aru da ka sirnot siya baroh kitei ki nongshong Snam layathu da ki board pinya jong katei ka company baka jingthmu jong ki ban pynlong yakani ka jingsynñiang Snam ka badai ru kasien ban ningkong bat kan long ru kum kalat ban kentu lang yakiwe ban yano synniang yaka Snam na ka benta ban Iada yaka Jingim na ki jingmin saw bat kiwe de.
Jowai Civil Hospital Blood Unit. We, after seeing a lot of participant donors today, we are quite satisfied with our work in this maximum. So a few words from blood bank. Me as a doctor, I want to say, I want to encourage each and every one of you. This will not be only the first time. It should be next time also. It should be a second time, a third time for you also. You should be willingly come forward and show that you are helping someone, even through only, sometimes you feel, oh, I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing anything to the society. But this is one of the biggest things which we have given to the society. We have seen people, we have seen patients in hospital. Even with a simple blood transfusion can save life. A pregnant lady, especially in India, there are a lot of ladies with iron deficiency. Those who don't have very lack of iron in their body. They need blood. Sometimes the blood is only 4 gram, 5 gram, sometimes even 2 gram. Okay, so at that time of urgency, we need blood. Some patients who are very poor. Okay, and some people they even ask for money also. If you want blood, you have to give them money. They are not in that condition to provide that assistance. So through this voluntary donation camp, I feel it is one of the blessing to all the patients and to the society. So with these few words, I encourage you, please come again forward and please.
The social activities. Any humankind can actually perform. It is regarded as one of the best the age activity we can also do for the society. Today, on the day of death anniversary of our chairman, we have organized the blood donation camp with the help of the local authority. So extremely happy to see all these kind of activities where we, the employees and the entire GVIL, along with the local authorities and involved. So as I congratulate everyone who are going to give the blood for the cause of the society, for the needy person, for the person who need it in future. And one good cause is the social cause is definitely there, but it's definitely extremely good for beneficial for the health for one individual. So let's come forward to do it a grand success. Thank you so much.
Thank you, our supporting staff, for taking so much of pain coming down from all the way to Jowai. And yes, nowadays, if you look at the blood donation is one of the most necessary thing. And especially when somebody is hospitalized and when he needs a blood, and we can feel the pain, we have to rush here and there for blood. कि हमें कौन काम मिल जाएगा, ये भी पॉजिटिव काम मिल जाएगा, वो पॉजिटिव काम मिल जाएगा. So their inspiration comes from there. If that time if we need it, so today if we can give, we can get it easily, because ultimately God will worship us with this. Second important thing is that donation now has come in organ donation also. जब किसी की डेथ हो जाती है, we can donate our eyes. Even recently I came to know, and it was quite surprising and quite encouraging for me. A 7-year-old baby, she died because of some reasons, and their parents decided to donate his entire organs to the society for the betterment of society. So as doctor told and other members and Vaishnava Mahasambhav told, we should encourage for blood donation, and I assure the civil hospital team, blood donation unit, that every year we will be definitely planning twice or at least once in a year to donate the blood, and we will encourage the other plant also in this area to come up with this initiative so that every year we can contribute towards society and help people who need the blood at time. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.